Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Renita. Let me share a very tasty and nutritious recipe, chickpea salad. Before we get started, if you are new here and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please consider subscribing and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified on all my updates. These are the only ingredients you'll need. Note down or screenshot them. So let's get started. First, you need to prepare chickpeas. You have two options here. You can either use the ready-made canned ones or make them yourself. All you got to do is soak chickpeas overnight, strain them well, wash once or twice and boil them in a pressure cooker. Add salt while boiling. So our chickpeas are ready. Let's make the salad. Add chickpeas into your mixing bowl. Next, add finely chopped onions, capsicum, cucumber, coriander leaves and mint leaves. Also add pepper powder, chaat masala powder, salt to taste, oregano which is optional and some lime juice. At last, mix salad well. You can also add mixed herbs instead of oregano. And that's all. Your nutritious chickpea salad is ready. I'm sure that you'll try this recipe and love it. If you have tried any of my recipes, share it on Instagram and tag me there. Also follow me on all my social medias, to which links are provided in the description box below. Thanks a lot for subscribing and sharing. Thanks for watching.